Welcome back to Day 11. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Sometimes the transition feels too slow, or maybe too fast. The good news is, you have complete control over the timing. In under 3 minutes, I'll show you how to adjust the duration of any transition. There are 2 easy ways to change how long a transition lasts. The first is right on the timeline. Select the transition by clicking on it. Now, move your cursor to the edge of the transition. You'll see the trim icon appear. Just click and drag to make the transition shorter or longer. This is great for quick visual adjustments. For more precision, with the transition selected, go to Modify, Change Duration. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+D. You'll see a duration field with a timecode that also turned purple. Just type in an exact duration. For example, assuming a 24 FPS timeline. When I type 24 for 24 frames, it will automatically jump to 1 second, or you can just type in the second and press enter. Here's a pro tip: the shorter your duration, the quicker the animation and vice versa. Now you can dial in the perfect timing for your transitions. We focused a lot on visuals, but audio is just as important. In the next video, we'll cover the basics of adjusting audio volume. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 12.
𝗪𝗘𝗘𝗞𝗦